is of line following, we use robots.
Okay.
There are different types. They are working on different
We use robot to do line following and make them do some tasks.
challenges based on the industry theme.
This can help industry to make it more autonomous.
Okay.
So the manpower can be less. The industry can do work faster, like producing things and.
Did you visited any of the factory industry?
Not until now.
You
but-
must visit.
Yes.
Then you will come to the real picture. है ना? और हिंदी में बताओ, आप इंग्लिश में कंफर्टेबल नहीं हो तो ये क्या बेसिकली ये प्रोजेक्ट जो है यही वाला दुबई वाला प्रोजेक्ट है?
Yes.
This is the same Dubai project.
Okay.
There are different zones. Like there are the first 3 zones.
Okay.
They are where the raw materials are processed and then they are turned into the products.
Okay.
Then the 4th zone is the inspection zone where the quality control is checked if the object's quality is nice or not,
Yes.
and then it places it in the corresponding area.
Okay.
Then it goes to the energy zone where it gets recharged. The robot gets recharged because many of the times it happens like it runs out of batteries and then so it cannot work. So it goes and recharges and then comes back and picks up the block.
Okay.
And finally it goes for packaging where
Okay.
it turns around 360 and puts it in the finish.
That is the storage.
Very good. Very good. Awesome. So how means robots are getting charged by the battery, right?
Yes.
Or by the power? How you are getting charged? आप लोग कैसे ह्यूमन कैसे चार्ज होता है?
By eating food and sleeping.
Yes, getting energy from the
Yes.
food
Yes.
and sleeping, taking rest. So that is also very important. Not banker.
Bunker.
Okay. बताइए क्या है
Our main project is about a bed which saves you while in times of earthquakes. So like when you're awake, you can easily escape or save yourself from earthquakes, right? Now? So but what will happen while you're asleep? So while you're asleep, the bed will detect the earthquake tremors and close the flap of the bed.
Okay. So even while sleeping we are safe, right?
Yeah, because during earthquakes, when it is during the day, we are all awake. So when we get a warning about earthquakes, we can always escape the area. But when during nights at 2-3 o'clock when we are all in deep sleep, we don't realize that there is a warning on our phones. So many people die due to these reasons. That is the reason we created our project, the Saver Bunker. So we have used the LCD display. If you see here, it shows 2 things. First, vibration. So for example, any seismic activity is detected by the vibration sensor. It sends a signal to the ESP32, which is our motherboard.
Yes.
So it sends a signal to the servo motor to close the flap so the person who is sleeping inside is safe and sound. Then we have also added a fire alarm system. So because during earthquakes it is very common for short circuits to take place which lead to fires. So this is the reason we added a fire alarm system which is also in the LCD display. The most special feature about this project is that it sends a SMS to emergency services and family members via GSM about earthquakes and fires detected.
Very good. Very good. क्या नाम आपका?
My name is Nirvan.
I'm Nandini. I'm Chihek.
So you know which is the Earth seismic zone across the globe? कहाँ पर सबसे ज़्यादा earthquakes आ रहे हैं?
Here the Pacific Ring of Fire.
Which country?
Near the coastal sides of Africa.
Like Japan,
Yeah, Japan and
Indonesia.
Asian coastal countries.
So ask them, hello, I have made one car. They will buy it at any cost. Very good.
3 students. The 3rd student will be helping the 2 students who will be playing on the field.
At the end, the team with the most points wins, and there are also penalties which are included in the game to make it more real life.
Like in penalties, you have to put the robot on in this or this box. It's your choice. Then you have to score on another side, but you should not cross this line. And there is a 15-second timer. If you don't score in that much time, the penalty is cancelled. There are also foul points like when the ref does not whistle and you start your Kwaki before it. So there are -4 points. Touching the robot without the ref's permission, -12 points, and restart. Restart means you have to keep it in the box.
And along with these competitions, there is another competition that is simultaneously going on, which is the STEM racing program. So basically, the STEM racing program is where students from all around the world make teams, and then they have to make a miniature F1 car, such as this one, like we made last year. Also, then we have to make many portfolios.
Wow, 3D printing.
Yes. We also have to make like portfolios, 3 different
क्या
portfolios.
क्या मटेरियल उसके इसमें?
So it is the body of the car is made of polyurethane foam, which is cut out from a foam block. Then the front wings and the this area, pit area is all been 3D printed.
Good.
Then there are also axles and ball bearings inside the wheels so that the rotation can be faster. Then in the competition, we also have to make 3 portfolios, which I already mentioned. And also we have to make an entire pit display with banners and merchandise and all of that. So there will be an area allotted to each team where you have to decorate that area as good as you can, and then on that you get the points.
What's your name?
I am Kavish.
कविश क्या बनना है आपको लाइफ में? Ferrari car? Yes sir.
I want to be an engineer.
Engineer? Wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir.